I'm working scientist with ICR. Okay. So I work on water management. I am a scientist of water management. So you know what is the water, na? What is the composition of water? Eh? Chemical composition. 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecules of oxygen, na? You are 8, 9 and 10 standards. Huh? So your board exam is also nearby. 10th board exam is there? 10th, na? Yes, in 10th board exam is also there. So today, in what purpose we are here? For? Because it Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. Our Prime Minister wants our agriculture should grow like anything. Because agriculture is our backbone. You know, India is an agrarian country. More than 60% people rely on agriculture. Is it so? You know. Now India sets world record of sending rockets in moon. Na? But still India falls around the world, by the world, it is still an agricultural country. Agriculture is our backbone. That's why our PM wants we should grow. We should develop. How to develop agriculture? Earlier we used to, our forefathers, maybe long back, they used to irrigate our fields with hand. From river they used to take water from bucket and keep. Then next invention come machines. Na? They invented machine. So now it's become easy. It's become like 2 days work in 5 minutes. That's how agriculture grows. Now it's an era of digital agriculture. Digital agriculture means you need not to go to field. You sit inside a computer and analyze field, whatever happening inside in this field. You can say, okay, this our crop needs irrigation. There is some disease or pest infestation there. Is it so? Have you think like that? Never, na? But our agriculture becomes like that only. It's because of technologies, sensors. Now all of you must have using mobiles, na? Yes? Mobiles you have, na? You know some sensors are there from here itself. I can tell ki how much rain is now within this period. I can tell you. If that kind of development is there, so we need to develop more. Our population is growing like anything, na? It's already 1.5 billion India. So we need to develop technologies to sustain our future foods, na? We need to sustain our foods. Okay. So what scientists? We all these frontline researchers, we develop technologies. This is a topic, information of new technology, so that farmers can adopt. So now come to Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, what is our strength? Our strength is this rainfall. You know Meghalaya is the largest rainfall receiving in India. Na? What is the maximum rainiest place on the earth? Okay. Rainiest place? Yes. Now they call it is one of the rainiest place, but still we believe it is the rainiest place on the earth, most in the earth. So this rain is our strength. See, if you are a Rajasthani people, then you could have feel that importance of rain. Now, there is ample amount of rain, but what problem is there? In winter. In winter we don't have water to irrigate. Is it so? Have you felt like that? Some seniors must be telling that we don't have water for irrigation in winters. Na? So what farmers develop? Farmers develop technologies like Jalkund. Jalkund, what that means? You save the water for rainy season, the dry season. Now there is ample amount of rainfall, na? So rain is wasting, water is wasting like anything. It flows in the river, it goes to sea, na? But if we can store this water for rainy season, we can grow more crops, na? At January, February, March, because we don't rely on solely rice? Can we rely solely on rice? No, na? We need vegetables also, na? Vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower, beans, na? So how can we grow? That crops can be grown in winter. So farmers invented technologies like chalpun. What they say? They say ki you cover your soil with mulch. Have you seen plastics placed over soil? For that purpose, what is that purpose? That is to reduce your loss. You know that with the sun heat, our soil water is also evaporates, na? You have read, na, evaporation? Evaporation you have read, na? So how to reduce that loss? Farmers invented mulching, biomulching, plastic mulching. So that's how science grows. That's how interest grows. On the public interest, we are working, and government also supporting. Okay. Now see, if we want to irrigate a large field, see, just consider this is our field, but we want to grow cabbage here. Just simple example, cabbage. So all you know, cabbage, na? What is that? Gobi, patta gobi in Hindi, na? You must have known. So cabbage. So in this place, at least 200 cabbage can grow, na? But that cabbage will not take all the places, na? Here, then here, then here, then here, like that, na? There will be some space, na? So if we want to irrigate whole plot, then lots of water would be required, na? Lots of water required, na? But instead we will use drip irrigation, pipe. You have seen pipe? With pipes, you have seen, na? In fields, what they do? They place the water exactly to plant roots, na? So that water loss can be minimized. So this is an invention. Okay. So like that, there are lots of technologies. Science grows. It uses the knowledge of tradition, use the technology of modern things, remote sensing, digitalization, then these drones and all. But above all, it grows. We need to develop. That is our motto, and that's why we are here.